So tonight I got a craving for cornbread, and I decided I was gonna like live this fantasy all the way to fruition. Um, and since I'm in ketosis, or trying to get back into ketosis after a vacation weekend where I had pralines and pretzel bread, um, I decided I was gonna try to do some almond flour cornbread, and these are the ingredients I used plus bacon grease because you know you can't make cornbread without bacon grease. This is the South. Don't judge me. This turned out actually pretty good, and the consistency of it is like similar-ish to cornbread. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's obviously not as crumbly, but it's pretty crumbly, and it actually turned out really good. So if you're out there and you are suffering through breadless ketosis, you can actually have cornbread, and it's not cornbread, it's like almond bread, which sounds disgusting, but it's not. I mean, it wasn't as disgusting as it sounds. So I used a cup of the almond flour, 2 eggs, and I added buttermilk and sour cream to get it to the consistency that I would normally make cornbread. And you know, there's no cut and dry method about how much you add. You're just taught a way to do it by your grandmother, and that's how you do it. So I just know the way that it looks. It's kind of a runny consistency, but not, I don't know, probably like a half a cup maybe, I don't know. And then just a tablespoon of sour cream, I think. Some salt, just a dash of baking powder, and it come out good. So, you know, if you're normally making cornbread, you're not gonna put the baking powder in there because the mill normally has it in there. So, anyway, it was good, and I say it can be done. And if you're ketoing and you're craving cornbread, then you should totally try to do it because it works out.